Hey yo web travelers, today we're opening this box of One Piece cards. And not only that, I bought them from AliExpress. They claiming to be legit, but we also gonna see if that's the case. Although I must say, I know how to see the Pokemon fake cards. I'm not familiar with One Piece TCG, so yeah, there's that factor that I might not be able to tell if that's original or not. If they're well made. If they're crappy, I would be able to tell it. Also, because I bought them from AliExpress, they are not in English. But it doesn't stop me, because I want to open some One Piece cards. And just like that, the box is empty. I don't know if I need to shuffle that. Oh, what's that? I didn't know it was in the box. From the looks of it, the box felt good quality. The packs feel very nice. Like you have the official logo there, which is also a good sign. So, and also here, okay, I'm gonna just open. I see that they have like this thing to open them, which can damage a little bit of the corners of this card. So I'm not very particularly happy with this, but okay. I also don't know if there's a trick that I can do so that I have the hit at the end. Maybe they just come like this. Other thing that you need to know about me, I'm somewhere in episode 800 of One Piece at the moment of recording. Also, I forget names very fast. So there's that. I mean, they are legit. I can tell you just already. The quality is good. That's good shit. They are legit, so that's nice. I don't know any characters that I've seen just now. I don't know, man. That's a big dude. Yeah, I know this one. Yeah, but I don't know his name. And we have our first shiny one. Okay, cool. And what the fuck is this? Do they have points? Like what the hell, man? Let's see what's in here. There's a special pack. It means probably I have a special card that only comes in a booster box. I hope that's the case. Look at this boy. My man. What the fuck, man? I don't know who that is. Come on, where's Luffy? Where are the characters that I know? I remember seeing you somewhere, but I don't know what we would do. That's straight from the manga. That looks awesome. Hey, we have Usopp. Alright, interesting design, I guess. Like, I mean, as a card. A crocodile, I think that's his name. He looks awesome. Although the hand is very weird. Like, as if it's not his hand, it's just too big for... I understand that's how the angles work, but... Oh, what the hell, man? I have you, but not special? What is this? Okay, cool. It's a little, it's shiny, and then we have 1000 again. Haven't seen something special so far. But I only opened 2 packs, so I guess that's normal. My expectations are too high, man. It's One Piece. It needs to be awesome. Alright, we have this dude. He is missing some food. He obviously wanted to eat, okay. Okay, oh, that's nice. That's nice. Man, I don't know why, but I really love this manga panel cards. And we have Frankie. Okay, cool. I don't know you yet, or do I? I don't think I do. Hey, we have something that looks more special. That's nice. Okay, and then we have this, but let's... okay, the sign already feels more special, so that's epic. I mean, I'm looking at the English cards, so the value may differ when they are not in English. Alright, the English version of this is like around $10, so that's a nice hit. I'm gonna take sleeve, by the way. I would imagine that this, not being English, would be like half of it, probably. Because it's still a hit, you know? Alright, we get Frankie Boy again. Okay, now I'm a little bit hyped, because I saw some very cool hit. That's a very cool girl. And that's a giant. Yeah, man, awesome. Cool angle, I love it. That's also a giant, but I don't remember this one. Alright. Scissor Lady. With the Harry Potter scar, cool, okay. Let me know in the comments what I can do with those, because I have really no clue. I suppose they mean nothing, but it's just that plus 1000 gets me curious, like plus 1000 for what? Who the fuck are you and what the hell is happening? He is part of the hippo. He is in its mouth. One Piece, what the fuck? Very interesting. Hey, finally some waifu that I recognize. So that's cool. Hey, that's a double. I don't need to see you. Thank you very much. Looks familiar, but I can't remember who that is. I remember you. I definitely remember you. If somebody is gonna play you, it needs to be Jim Carrey, man. Like, what the hell? I mean, in a live action. Let's go. Okay. I need some hits, man. I'm dry on hits. I got one. I got the taste. And now I'm hooked. Okay. Fuck, what's his name? I forgot his name. God damn it. I really love this character, but I forgot his name. What the hell, man? What? That's awesome. This card looks awesome. Oh, fuck. I skipped a few. We have very glorious moment. Yes, I remember that. And is this Robin? That's Robin. Damn, girl. You changed. Alright, some no name for me again. I don't care. I would like to speed up the process, but opening those packs, I just can't do it that fast. So that's the problem. He has some devil fruit. Hey, that's a Blackbeard there in the background. Interesting. Jinbei? Hey, Jojo, what's up, man? Please don't, like, stand on a hit. I don't mind the rest, but this untouchable, okay? Okay, we just continue and hope that Jojo will not eat everything here. Oh, what the fuck is this? This looks interesting. So that's the first card that also has some golden like outline. It gives me some hit vibes, but I can't imagine this being like more than $2. Well, it is not. So it's probably below $1, so it means I don't care. It means the sleeve is wasted, but I also don't care about that. Oh, that's how it's supposed to be. Man, that opens smooth, I love that. Okay, doubles. Hey, Zoro, let's go. We're getting the gang together. Very nice. Oh, damn, I remember your weird face. I don't know who that is. And what is that? Dragon poison? Caesar, maybe? I don't fucking know what's happening. Okay, what the fuck is this weird dude? I don't care. What the fuck is this? It might even not be special, but it looks awesome. It also says plus 1,000. What the fuck is 1,000? Please help me. Okay, $2 for an English one, so this one is probably even less, but it looks awesome. I'm gonna sleeve it because I like this card. Cool, man. Alright, we have something special again. Okay, I'm gonna remove all the fuckers that I don't like, because fuck you all. He's cool, he can stay. Yeah, I remember you. You were somewhere at the beginning of the era of One Piece. Okay, cool. Alright. It looks like AI generated One Piece character, not gonna lie. But it's okay. Alright. Damn, man. I understand that my videos might be a little bit boring in comparison with other YouTubers that know the characters and can talk about this beautiful He-Man. Yeah, I only know Usopp, so there's that. And I remember this fucker, which is very weird but funny. Alright, cool. Also, I look at her and I think I already saw her, and I look at my screen and I see that the English version is about $1 for just a usual card, which is a good value, I guess. And we have Senji destroying someone. And then we have ooh, that's a shiny one. Cool. So yeah, sorry for not being that, active or original or knowing about One Piece. I just like it, but I have a crappy memory. So what can I do? And that's also the first opening of a One Piece card, so I'm kind of new to this. And, yeah, and also, did you know that One Piece is a furry anime? I know that character, by the way. Oh, nice, I love that. And hey, the smoker guy. This was an interesting arc. I really liked it. Man, I can't. What the fuck? Who is this? I don't know who that is. We're just moving on, man. Damn, son. This is straight from anime, right? Because it very looks like that. I don't know what you. Hey, nice. Whitebeard is his name? I don't know. Who the fuck are you? Like, how many hits do you get in one box? That's the question. Okay. Hey, cool. Buggy, I believe. And I even watched a freaking Netflix series not that long ago, and I just forget its name. Like it's not even that I watched. I mean, I watched One Piece like 6 years ago, so that I forget those names. That's understandable, I guess. But watching only a few months ago the One Piece Netflix series, where I think his name is Buggy, is there, and hey, what's up? Nice. That looks like a hit. And, you know, forgetting it in a few months, that's just impressively stupid. And that's what I am. So yeah, check out my channel for more impressively stupid things. As you can see, I got the original cards. Like, they're legit, they're not fake. The AliExpress didn't lie. But it doesn't mean there are, like, always good. Oh my god, that's what I talked about. That's what I meant. I hope there's nothing special there that I damaged. Man. God damn it, I'm stupid. It doesn't matter. This one I already have. In a good condition. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what's happening? Okay. So this looks more special than usual. I don't know why, but it's just the vibes I get. And this is a very sexy woman. God damn, man. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit more careful around the edges, because of just what happened a second ago. A lot of doubles, obviously, was bound to happen. Oh, there is something special. Hey, Choppa. Very cool that you're here. Okay, I don't care about you. But now I know where the dragon is from, and I kind of remember his face, so alright. Only 5 packs left. Not that many. My hope for getting something very unique is a little bit down, you know. Probably Ace was the best hit that I could have gotten out of this box, but let's see if that's true. There's always a last pack magic. We have again a little bit of fury, which is nice, you know. One Piece touches every aspect of the world. Every fetish is to be found in One Piece. Every philosophical question is to be found in One Piece. Alright. Ooh, nice! I love this one. Damn, he looks epic. And at this art, the perspective of his sword, like it just shows how freaking big it is. One side is like a half of him. And he is no small dude. Hey, god damn it, that's what I wanted to see, you know. That's just... Sorry, I'm a simple man. I just love my waifus, and who doesn't? Look at this. Whoa, what the fuck? Let's go! That looks like something special. Damn! It's even numbered, whatever that means. It's about 20, man. $20 for English version. Which means that this is probably, like, less. I have only 3 packs left. I don't think there will be any... I already damaged this freaking another card. I need to pay more attention to how I open the packs. Alright. 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 Okay. Sure. And... Hey, that's a nice one. That's cool. Coolio. He's a cool dude. Last pack. And I think that's just it. Like, you get your hits here. That's what you get. I got a pretty decent hit, not gonna lie. Oh wait, there's also... Don't tell me there are more hits. Also, she looks beautiful. Alright. Okay. My hopes were up, and they went down. And that's my first One Piece opening. What can I say? I learned something about myself today. Thank you for watching very much. Let me know in the comments if you want to teach me more about the One Piece TCG, because I'm very newbie at the moment. I don't know anything. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me opening another box of One Piece. I see you in another one, guys. Bye!